Naitra hai, Naitra. How many children are there? Harshika, Sairam,
मुझे भी बता। सौरभ तेरी में सायरा मैम।
or sometime you open your microphones. Okay, Harshika,
यस
Saurabh
सायरा
Dua,
मैम।
Sairam. Garvit Jain, Sairam. For some time you open your videos so that I can see you all. Okay. Garvit, Garvit,
प्रेजेंट मैम।
Sairam.
सायरा मैम।
Shri Haripriya, Sairam. I can see new faces. Who is Saurabh Dua? Dao.
मैम आई एम सौरभ दाऊ।
सौरभ दाऊ के साथ कौन है?
मैम प्रीशा।
वीडियो में दिख रहा है ना मुझे?
मैम
है?
प्रीशा। मैम प्रीशा।
त्रिशा? ओके, त्रिशा. यतीन प्रजापति सिंह यादव, साईराम. यतीन. Harshika, Sri, Yashasvi. Now, Adamya, tell me, how did you spend your holiday? In 2-3 sentences.
I spend my holiday in homework and playing.
Playing. Which game did you play?
I play
Indoor games? You can only this time play indoor games, huh? Yes?
yes ma'am. I also ma'am.
अच्छा, जिससे बोला जाएगा ना वही बोलना, एक साथ नहीं बोलना बेटा, फिर ना जो एक बच्चा बोल रहा है ना वो सुनाई नहीं देगा, इसलिए माइक ओपन करो लेकिन कुछ बोलना नहीं.
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
प्रियांशी पचौरी आउटसाइड से आए हो. आप लोग ना जो स्कूल आईडी दिया है ना उसी से ज्वाइन करना, ठीक है? स्कूल आईडी है ना,
मैम.
उसी से ज्वाइन करना है, नहीं तो है ना आप आउट रहोगे फिर. प्रियांशी,
यस मैम. यस मैम.
बट फ्रॉम टुमारो यू हैव टू वियर स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म ऑल्सो.
यस मैम.
स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म वियर करना, ठीक है? प्रियांशी,
यस मैम.
सायरा. सारे बच्चे देख के मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मेरे पुराने बच्चे है ना. प्रियांशी, यतीन, श्री हरिप्रिया न्यू ज्वाइन है. हर्षिका पुरानी है. दिविता, अदम्या, ये सब मेरे पुराने बच्चे हैं ना. चलो.
यस मैम. मैम मैं नहीं आई हूँ.
हाँ, श्री हरिप्रिया न्यू है.
यस
न्यू.
मैम.
ओके. फ्रॉम वेयर डिड यू कम? This year only you joined, Haripriya? Left the meeting. अच्छा, अदम्या, now tell me 3-4 sentence.
यस मैम.
आपको बोलना है, ठीक है? All have to speak. How did you spend your holidays? अदम्या ने जैसा बोला वैसे सबको बोलना. You all have to speak.
यस मैम.
दिविता, आप बोलो अब. मैं लाइन से आऊंगी सबके पास. सोच के रख लो बोलने के लिए. आपको जैसे भी इंग्लिश में आता बोलो. इंग्लिश क्लास है ना, जैसे भी आपको आता बोलो, मैं क्लियर कर दूंगी कैसे.
I spend my holidays by doing paper crafts
ओके.
and play.
Okay. Now I am coming to Saurabh Dua and Trisha. How did you spend your holidays? One by one.
Ma'am, I
Saurabh Dua.
spent my holidays by my brother.
Okay.
clean in house. In home.
What did you eat?
I eat Maggie. Maggie. And
Maggie. Not good.
first time I drink tea. A teacher or teacher.
Now, Trisha, tell me. Okay. Now, Trisha, speak out. Trisha,
Yes, ma'am.
you speak out. Oh, how did you spend your holidays?
I spend the holiday with the study and play.
Okay. Then, did you do any exercise?
No.
No, you have to do. At least you can dance. Dance to the music, okay? Okay, Harshika, come on.
ma'am.
Now tell me, how did you spend your holidays?
I was playing with my brother.
Okay, then you didn't learn something new?
No.
No. Okay. Garvijan, how did you spend?
I enjoyed the holiday.
You enjoyed the holiday? Okay. Garvit, speak. Unmute it. Okay.
Playing the cricket.
Now I am coming to Priyanshi Pachori. How did you spend your holiday? Are you happy staying at home and learning something from YouTube and all that? Are you happy? Now, those who have spoke, please mute your mics. Huh? जिसने बोला वो हाँ. You learn to play piano. Who is that speaking? Priyanshi. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, Priyanshi. Okay, now Yatin Pratap. Yatin, unmute. What did you do in the vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do in the vacation? आपने क्या किया? छुट्टी कैसे मनाई? अभी भी छुट्टी में ही है. क्या किया आपने छुट्टी में? कुछ पढ़ाई की?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
जो आपका क्लास का बुक्स है उसको देखा है कि नहीं सबके पास? सबके पास बुक्स है?
Yes, ma'am.
इंग्लिश बुक्स है सबके पास? यस.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके. आपने कितना वीडियोस देखा? हाउ मेनी वीडियोस?
Ma'am, 29. Ma'am, 0. Ma'am, I read all videos. Ma'am, Sari. Ma'am, all videos.
All videos.
Ma'am,
Now I am coming to Sri Haripriya. अच्छा ये all of you unmute your phones. हर्षिका ये सब म्यूट कर लीजिए बेटा. मैं श्रीप्रिया से बात करना चाहती हूँ. श्री हरिप्रिया. Tell me, how did you spend your holidays? Haripriya, can you hear me? Left. हरिप्रिया, कुछ बोल सकते हैं बेटा? Unmute the mic. Unmute
Yes,
and
ma'am.
unmute your mic. Yes, speak something. How did you spend your holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, speak out.
In these holidays,
Yes.
Time,
Yes.
I help my mother in cooking, watering plants, I play with my brother, and
Yes.
I also plant trees.
Okay, very good. Good clap to Haripriya. All of you clap for Haripriya. All of you clap. Yes. She had done a good thing. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I also planted so many plants during this vacation. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which plants did you
Ma'am,
plant? Which plants did you plant? Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you recite any poem?
Ma'am,
You have.
lily, sunflower, and mango tree.
Okay. You have planted that. Now come to how many poems you have learned. आपने कितने पोम लर्न किए छुट्टियों में? अर्जुन अग्रवाल, साईराम. अर्जुन, साईराम.
मैम.
साईराम. ये सारे बच्चे हैं ना, कल से स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म. स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में कोई भी बैठना है ना, ठीक है? सिविल ड्रेस में नहीं बैठना. आप ऊपर टी शर्ट पहन सकते हैं ना, आप लोगों का हाउस यूनिफॉर्म पहन ले, ठीक है? नाउ चिल्ड्रन.
I read a poem.
हाँ, who can read? Who can recite the poem by heart?
Ma'am, Divita.
Divita, okay. Divita, welcome.
Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's too much late to lie on bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. Wash and dress and come out. Everyone is up and about. The cows, the horses, the dogs, and the sheep. The tiny chicken, cheep, 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 wake up.
Okay. Harshika, can you read? Can you recite the poem? Do you have books? Books हैं आपके पास? Do you have books?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा. Can you recite the first poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshika, you unmute your mic. Adamya, now unmute your mic.
Okay, ma'am.
Both of you can read. Harshika and Adamya.
Okay, ma'am.
Others mute कर ले. हाँ, Adamya and Harshika, wake up. Books पास में है?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फिर आप open your books and you recite.
Wake up, wake
Wake
up.
up, wake up. It is lovely
A
day.
lovely day.
Oh,
Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees.
wake up. It is
It's
lovely
a
day.
lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much
Lie late.
light in bed, so hurry up.
So up you
You
sleep
sleepy head, wash and dress and
and come
come on now. Everyone is up and about the cow, the
out
horses, the dog, and the
and the
sheep, the tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up.
wake up.
Okay. Now Priyanshi. Priyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
can you recite
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Others mute. Others mute your mic. Because the echo is there. Arjun, you also.
Ma'am, first
First poem.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute कर दे. Mute कर दे. Okay.
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepy head. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The crow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiny chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up!
Okay. Thank you. Now,
Ma'am.
Yatin. Yatin, can you read? Can you recite the poem? Okay.
Wake up.
Arjun, I am coming to you.
Yes, ma'am. Wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up.
Arjun,
It's
Arjun,
a lovely day.
second stanza you read.
Up and
Yatin,
Ma'am?
Yatin, stop. Huh? Now, second stanza Arjun will read.
अभी आया हूँ तो मैम मुझे पता नहीं है.
बुक है क्या आपके पास? चलो, श्री हरिप्रिया, you can read now. You read second stanza. Mic on.
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. Oh, so hurry up, you sleepyhead.
Okay, thank you. Garvit, last stanza you read. Garvit, where is Garvit?
Wash and dress.
Garvit,
Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horse, the duck, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken. Chip, 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 wake up.
okay. Now, children, who is left? Trisha? Trisha and Saurabh. First stanza you read. You recite. Saurabh, you recite first stanza. Second stanza, Trisha will recite. And the last stanza, who is there? Yatin had read. Who is that? Yashashvi Dhakre. Yashashvi Dhakre is there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First stanza, Saurabh, You recite.
Wake up, it is a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come play. The birds are singing.
Sound.
मैम आवाज धीरे आ रही है.
हाँ, आवाज धीरे आ रही, इसलिए बोला साउंड. Saurabh, your sound is not reaching me. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो बेटा, माइक से बोलो, माइक से. ओके. Saurabh, again once more.
Wake up, it is
Yes.
a lovely
Now I can hear.
day. Get up and come and play.
Yes.
The birds are singing in the trees, and can you hear the buzzing bees?
And you can hear the buzzing bees. Now, Trisha.
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the tree, and you can hear the buzzing bees.
Your second stanza you have to read.
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's so much too late to lie in the bed, so hurry up, you sleephead.
Okay.
What?
Oh, sleepyhead. Then from wash and dress, Ayush.
Wash and
No, you stop. Who is this? Yeah, पता नहीं बच्चा. Ayush. Arjun Agrawal. Arjun,
Yes, ma'am.
you can unmute and speak. Wash and dress. Stanza you have to recite. Arjun Agrawal. Unmute करो. Unmute your mic. Arjun, unmute your mic and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. You recite the last stanza. Wash and dress. Do you have a book?
Yes, ma'am.
आपके पास बुक है तो पेज 3 निकालो. You open page 3.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, recite the last stanza. Wash and dress.
Wash and dress. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. Start.
And come on out, everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, the tiniest chicken, chip, chip, chip. Wake up, wake up.
अच्छा. Okay, you all have read. Yashashvi Dhakre. Can you recite the poem?
No.
You can't recite? Open your video. For 1 minute, open your video. Yes. आपको रिसाइट करने नहीं आ रहा बेटा? आता है? जितना भी आता है आप रीड कीजिए. फर्स्ट स्टैंजा करो. फिर उसके बाद हम एक साथ फिर रिसाइट करेंगे. ओके?
Wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees.
ओके, आपको आता है, लेकिन
Yes.
सिंग नहीं बोलना है. सिंग ऐसा करके नहीं बोलना है. सिंगिंग. ठीक है, चलो लेट्स रिसाइट वंस मोर. माइक ओपन नहीं करना है. all of you mute your phone, microphones. Only you hear me. Then one by one you recite. Okay. Poem, wake up. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed, so hurry up, you sleepyhead. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cows, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, cheep, 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 wake up. So in this way you have to recite. So poem reciting means you can sing also. If you sing in a rhythm like a song, that also you can do. Okay. So now tell me, today how many children are there? I could find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10, 11 children are there. Okay. In the next class, Garvit Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ाई में सिंसियर हो जाओ बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ. रोज डेली यू हैव टू रिसाइट, है ना? जैसा आप कोई गाना अच्छा लगता है तो आप कैसे जल्दी से याद कर लेते हो गाना सुन के, है कि नहीं? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
गाना जो पसंद है आप जल्दी से याद कर लेते हो ना गाना टीवी से सुन के. ऐसा ही आपको बुक्स रोज 1-2 बार ऐसे ही रिसाइट करके याद करना है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. गर्वित को बड़े मजे आ रहे हैं? चलो अब क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट चैप्टर क्या है? उसमें आपको सिर्फ रीडिंग करना है. अभी 2-3 दिन अपन रीडिंग करेंगे. ठीक है? क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो आप लोगों का हो चुका होगा. यस?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So today you open your books and recite the poem and read Neha's alarm clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Neha's alarm clock. ये आप लोगों का हुआ नहीं है क्या? लेसन हुआ था? प्रियांशी, अदम्या,
मैम वेट करना है क्या?
फर्स्ट लेसन हुआ था क्या आप लोगों का?
नो मैम, नो.
नो.
No, ma'am.
मैम कॉपी में क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं क्या?
क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं हुआ है? दूसरे से
नो मैम, क्वेश्चन आंसर सिर्फ कॉपी में
फर्स्ट लेसन
कॉपी में
फर्स्ट
से स्टार्ट कराया था.
नोसेस से स्टार्ट किया. अच्छा, इसका मैं बताती हूँ. ये हम सिर्फ रीड करेंगे क्योंकि शायद मैडम ने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के, मैंने पता किया था, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के लिए रखा था. तो इसलिए अभी हम उनसे कांटेक्ट करके फिर आपको ये लेसन हम करा देंगे. ठीक है? ओके? अंडरस्टूड?
रीड करना है क्या?
फर्स्ट लेसन एक्चुअली एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के लिए रखा था क्योंकि उसमें क्लॉक है. शायद क्लॉक आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग का टॉपिक चुने थे मैडम लोग ने.
रीड करना है क्या?
हाँ.
मैम क्लास घर में बनवा चुका है.
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है. हम ये कह रहे हैं यू
रीड करना है.
हाँ, लेसन रीड करो. पोएम 1 रिसाइट करो, लेसन को रीड करो. ओके? नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, हम सेकेंड पोएम को रिसाइट करते हैं. नोसेस.
Okay, ma'am.
नोसस आपने पढ़ा होगा तो फिर नोसस ही शुरू करते हैं, ठीक है। चलो मैं यहाँ से मुझे स्क्रीन में जो बच्चा फर्स्ट दिख रहा है उसको मैं मुझे त्रिशा दिख रही है, आई कैन सी त्रिशा देयर, सो आई विल आस्क त्रिशा टू रीड नोसस, रिसाइट रोसस.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing. The way it grows stuck right out where all it shows, with two little holes where the breathing is.
Okay, now stop. Second stanza, Dua will read. Saurabh, Dua. Saurabh, thou. Yes, thou.
I looked in the mirror and saw in the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare. With my nose I like a handle
Sticking
Yeah.
there. Okay. Shri Haripriya. If ever.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever. You start from if ever.
If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just like in the mirror.
Just
and
look in the
then-
mirror. Just
Just
look in the
look.
mirror.
Just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out.
Okay. Now, Adamya, first stanza.
Okay, ma'am. I looked in the mirror and looked at my
Ma'am,
nose.
can I please?
It is funny. It is the funniest thing, the way it grows. It stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes.
Dimita, you read the second stanza.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there is not so much space to spare. My nose like a handle sticking there.
Thank you. Next stanza, who will read? Yatin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yatin?
I looked in the mirror.
No. Last stanza. If ever you want.
If ever you want to giggle and
Shout.
shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt I will see how funny your nose sticks out.
Now, who is left? Please show me. Yashashvi?
Yes,
Yashashvi
ma'am.
Thakre. First stanza.
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. मैं पढ़ूं?
Priyanshi, I will. Garmit and Harshika, you will get chance. Priyanshi, second stanza.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanshi, second. I look
I
in the
looked
mirror.
in the mirror and saw.
In there.
I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to set with my nose like a handle sticking there.
Harshika Kamal, third one, last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Last.
If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look the mirror and then no doubt you see
You
how
will see.
how will see funny your nose sticks out.
Sticks up. Garvit,
I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes.
thank you, children. All of you read? Have you recited all the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is left? Kindly show your hand. हाथ ऊपर करो. कोई है? चैट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. नाम लिख लो, मैं अभी कॉल करती हूँ. यशस्वी धाकड़े, आपने रीड किया था? हैव यू रेड?
Yes, ma'am.
आपका हो गया? नोस हो गया? अच्छा, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? You, as you said, you started with nose, so I will tell you that you recite the poem. Okay, अदम्य. अच्छा, आ गया. You recite the poem. Okay, 2-3 times. You have to learn it by heart. Tomorrow I will ask anyone to recite the second stanza or first stanza from anywhere. Okay, and you read the uh, you you read the little fir tree that you have completed.
Yes.
One of you answer me. The little fir tree question answers and all that is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you read 3, 4,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
for 3-4 days we will be doing only reading and all that. Okay, interaction. Okay, I will ask you some questions, you have to answer. So this is all for today's class. All of you join your hands. Children, all of you join your hands and close your eyes.
सर्वे भवन्तु.
Healthy, stay happy. From tomorrow you sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
School uniform.
Bye, ma'am.
Salam. Yes,
School
ma'am.
uniform only, okay? Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome, welcome. Stay healthy. Bye. First you leave, then only I will leave. First you leave.
Bye, madam.
First you leave. Leave. All of you leave. Children, you leave. Leave. All of you.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Arjun, you leave. Arjun, leave.